Good morning. Welcome to a cloudy day of Thailand. Today we are going to talk a bit more about the Colocasia. We're going to talk about the Colocasia, especially the black coral and the white lava, and another one is the Nancy, which I want to talk about how you should buy it. You should buy it as runners, just like these ones, because it's very assuring that you're gonna get the plant that looks quite identical to its mother plant. If you buy the black coral runner, you would get the black coral. It will be black. And if you buy the white lava, you would get what you buy. And you can see this small leaf already have some white appearing on the leaf, as well as this one. Unlike this one, this guy here, I bought as a Nancy, which in a form of seed. And this is what happened. It is a lot bigger than my white lava already, but it still hasn't shown any sign. There's two reasons I can think of. First, because it's a seed, so there's a higher chance that it'll not be like its mother. It can mutate. It got a higher chance of mutation. Secondly, I was lied to. It is not the Nancy seeds. I recommend buying the runner, which is much safer and grow faster. And for any of you who wonder how you should raise your Colocasia or Alocasia, I would say that being submerged in the water is fine, or in this tub it is leaking, so no water will be in it, but it will be quite damp and moist, like almost all the time, and all of them stay under direct 100% sunlight at least 6 hours, 6 to 10 hours, depending on the cloud. Normally it stay under direct sunlight, but today it is very cloudy. The temperature here is about 35 at least to 40 plus, and they are looking fine. I would say they love the sunlight, direct sunlight, not just any light, and there's no damage. Even this mackerel sauce, variegated, there's no damage from the sun, but this white part, as you can see, there's some damage from the rain. It was raining for 2 days straight. It just kind of stopped a bit now, but it will come again. That's the only thing this mackerel sauce variegated cannot handle, but it can handle the sun really well. And for the fertilizers, you could basically use anything. You can use organic fertilizers, like over here in Thailand we would use cow's manure or chicken manure, or you can use other chemicals, fertilizers. I use both types depending on what I have. The manure, I would use them, but what I use often every 2 weeks are the lily pads fertilizers, which you just stick into the ground, every 2 weeks. And they're big and strong. The only real problem is the pest, snails, some other kind of pest, but I'm not worried about that too much, because if it get damaged, if the leaf get damaged, you could just cut it off. Like let's say this leaf is damaged, you could cut like around, wait, let me focus. You could just cut it and it'll regrow really quick. I guarantee it's really quick. It will not die off. If it's got damage, just cut it off. It will not get better. It will not come back to its glorious form. Just chop it off and wait for the new one to come. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.